In this video, I will show how to buy shares of EastGroup Properties Inc., an industrial real estate company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker EGPUS. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Always research risks before investing. To place trades, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will usually have to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EGPUS to find EastGroup Properties Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Check the company description and the ticker EGPUS to be sure it is EastGroup Properties Inc. To buy, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review your order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example eToro page is provided in the description if you want to follow the same walkthrough.